Quay, hello, it's Chief Little Eagle from the Algonquin First Nation. Today, I'm inviting you to learn about an ancient treasure from our northern forests, Chaga. This powerful fungus, also known as the mushroom of immortality, has been a part of our culture and medicine for centuries. Chaga is found growing on birch trees in the cold northern forests. To the Algonquin people, it's not just a mushroom, but a gift from the Great Spirit. This mushroom is packed with life-giving energy. Our ancestors discovered its incredible health benefits long before modern science caught up. When harvesting chaga, respect is key for everything in life. We only take what we need, leaving enough for the tree to continue its life. The relationship between the chaga and birch is symbolic. Both give and receive. The balance is something we deeply honor. Chaga can be prepared in various ways. One traditional method is to dry this up and grind it into a fine powder. We use this powder to brew a rich, earthy tea that has a slight bitterness and a touch of vanilla. This tea has been used in our community to support overall wellness. Chaga is known for its powerful antioxidant properties, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. It's also rich in polysaccharides, which support the immune system, and butyric acid, a compound linked to cancer fighting properties. Now, for the indigenous, it's natural medicine boosting vitality and protecting against illness. You can enjoy chaga in various ways. My favorite is tea, but you can also do tinctures or supplements. How to use chaga for a simple tea? Steep 1 tablespoon of dry chaga powder in hot water for about 15 minutes. Drink it daily to experience its benefits. Today, chaga is gaining in popularity around the world, but it's important when you use chaga, do with respect for the land and the traditions that have cherished this fungi for generations. I encourage everyone to use it mindfully, honoring the wisdom of all of our ancestors. Yes, all living things are connected in this universe. Respect nature, balance in all things, and the interconnectedness of life. Stay connected to nature and let the wisdom of Mother Earth guide you to health and harmony. If you want to learn more, connect with Chief Little Eagle at www.chieflittleeagle.com or on Instagram at Chief Little Eagle. Miigwech and thank you.